We are pleased to show you the 2022 Blazer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, remote engine start, xenon headlights, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, braking assist, parking sensors. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, rear view camera, leather upholstery, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, audio radio, touchscreen display.